Hey folks, I'm going to show you how some Rhino-Rack accessories fit on my Prinsu rack. So let's go check it out. Rhino-Racks are very strong and are used all over the world, but I already had a Prinsu Design rack and I wanted to add this accessory. So this is what I did. Now, as you can see, I drilled an extra hole in the brackets that hold the roller of my Rhino-Rack accessory. I really didn't need to do that with the drop-in T-slot bolts that I used, but I did just for a little overkill because that's the way I do things. I don't know that I'd recommend drilling into your Rhino-Rack accessories because mistakes can happen. I love my Prinsu Designs rack. I can put ladders, kayaks, canoe, a john boat, Oz tents, anything you can imagine up on the roof of this thing. And it's just super strong and holds up great. And there's no limit to the customization you can do with these racks. Very good quality, and I highly recommend them.